let's talk about the big business concept at Organo Gold. I'm going to give you a concept, and what I want you to do right now is really grab a pen and a piece of paper before I give you this $1 million concept. And so when you're ready, grab a piece of paper, hit pause if you don't have a piece of paper and a pen, because this one is a $1 million concept for you and your business. And here's the concept. You take a few simple steps that can be taken by a large group of people over a consistent period of time. Let me repeat that. You take a few simple steps that can be duplicated by a large group of people over a consistent period of time. And that is the secret to you building a multi-million dollar company and an enterprise for yourself and your family. Taking a few simple steps, okay, over a consistent period of time with a large group of people. Let me give you some ideas. The 4 questions. Is it simple or is it complicated? Very, very simple to ask those 4 questions. Taking the 4 steps. Very, very simple. So that means anybody can do it. Boiling water and inviting some friends over. Simple steps. Is it simple to do? Yes. Can you do it? And can a large group of people do the same thing? Yes. And can it be done consistently over a long period of time? The answer is yes. So anytime you hear representatives in your organization, distributors in your organization, talking about these fancy ways that they're going to build their business, you need to stop them. It has to be a few simple steps taken by a large group of people over a consistent period of time, and now you have a $1 million formula. All right? It's as simple as that. Taking a few simple steps by a large group of people over a consistent period of time. There you have it.